10 Most Advanced Military Drones. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Why the Fact Not coming to all of you with a brand new video. As military technology has advanced, military leaders have searched for a way to take out targets without putting troops in harm's way. This has led to the development and use of unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones. Forget your fighter jets and stealth bombers, decommission your ground attack aircraft, lay off your pilots, and with a gentle touch of a command console, switch to autonomous mode. We need as little interference from squishy human beings as possible, because unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, is where the future of aerial warfare is. Many nations have adopted one or another form of UAV for surveillance and communication, and a number of them wield drones that can actually fight, be it using air-to-ground missiles, laser-guided bombs, or even experimental air-to-air capability. Most of today's aerial missions can be performed by drones, prompting a question: how long manned military jets will last before becoming a historical curiosity? Not all combat drones are created equal though. Some of them are just enhanced versions of surveillance UAVs, while others were built to be almost as capable as the most advanced jet fighters. Some have stealth capabilities and can carry an impressive array of weapons. Others were designed to be as cheap and as mass-producible as possible. 10. TAI Aksungur, starting a parade of medium-altitude long-endurance male UAVs. Aksungur is one of many answers to the Reaper. It was produced in Turkey as a further development of its smaller predecessors. While still in prototype stage, Turkish aerospace industry's experience with TAI Aksungur shows that it is capable of producing successful combat male. What pushes Aksungur above many similar designs is its impressive reported endurance of 40 hours. 9. XQ-58A. Although only introduced in 2017, the export version of this Chinese drone has already proved itself in several Middle Eastern conflicts in the hands of the United Arab Emirates, while Pakistan and Egypt have purchased dozens of them too. It can carry up to 200 kilograms of laser-guided bombs and missiles, and the manufacturer claims capability to employ air-to-air armament. 8. Altair Altius. Although in long and turbulent development at least since 2011, this May UAV was revealed during its maiden flight in 2019, and is set for adoption by Russian Air Force in 2021. The manufacturer claims endurance of 48 hours and a payload of 1,000 kilograms for an aircraft that is itself larger and heavier than most of its competitors. A note should be made, as Altair is supposed to be the name of the development program and Altius the name of the aircraft itself, but those names are often mixed up even by the manufacturer. 7. Airbus Barracuda. Threading through the realm of stealthy jet-powered combat drones is not easy. Not much is known about them, and even less is certain. Barracuda was designed by Airbus as a competition to other European drone programs, and although it has neither range nor endurance of males, it is more of a combat aircraft than anything above. Designed to carry 300 kilograms of precision munitions in its internal bay to be dispatched at a moment's notice before an enemy had a chance to detect the intruder. Barely anything is known about Barracuda beyond its maiden flight in 2006, and although the project may be discontinued, it definitely was the first European combat drone of its kind. 6. General Atomics Avenger. Initially named Predator-C, indicating it as a successor to MQ-1 Predator and MQ-9 Reaper long-endurance drones, Avenger is more of a departure, featuring a turbofan engine, internal weapon bay, and stealth features. It can carry a staggering array of munitions, lift almost 3 tons of them, including on external hardpoints, and direct to fire at the enemy with the F-35 Lightning II's electro-optical targeting system. The Sea Avenger should also be mentioned, supplementing the platform with a capability to be based on an aircraft carrier. 5. Northrop Grumman X-47. Although the United States had no shortage of stealth drone development programs since the 2000 Boeing Phantom Ray, for example land-based X-74A and its carrier-based counterpart X-74B deserve a mention for pioneering and popularizing the concept with the X-47A's first flight in 2003. They had quite impressive capabilities. X-47B could carry up to 2 tons of armament and still take off from an aircraft carrier, but were nothing more than proof of concept programs and are now discontinued. Nevertheless, all evidence points at the US Air Force adopting some kind of their more advanced successors, possibly supersonic, possibly combat capable, most definitely of the same flying wing design, but not much is known about them. Save for some names. X-47's spiritual successor is most likely called RQ-180, but although it is used for surveillance at least since 2015, its combat capabilities are undisclosed. 4. Hongdu GJ-11. Barely anything is known about the Chinese stealth UAV with the nickname Sharp Sword. It was first flown in 2013 and adopted by the military in 2019 or earlier. Round afterburner exhaust was replaced with low visibility exhaust in the meantime, suggesting a focus on stealth. China has boasted the drone's deep penetration ability, suggesting spacious internal weapon bay and an ability to deliver laser-guided munitions, likely resulting in similar performance to other stealth drones of this type. 3. Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik. The first operational Russian stealth combat drone was a continuation of an earlier MiG project called SCAT. The aircraft has a regular Al-31 turbojet engine with an unmodified nozzle, which means partial sacrifice of stealth performance. But what differentiates this UAV from other similar aircraft is its size, almost 4 times heavier than X-47B and considerably larger. It can carry almost 3 tons of armament and has an operational range of 6,000 kilometers. Okhotnik is designed to function in tandem with Su-57 5th-generation jet fighter, and is supposed to enter into service with Russian Air Force in 2024. 2. BAE Systems Taranis Dassault Neuron 2-for-1, similar in their capabilities and appearance, but developed separately by British defence company BAE Systems and a conglomerate of European manufacturers led by French Dassault respectively. These two technology demonstrators are some of the most advanced flying wing stealth UAVs. Their intended purpose was to explore a prospect of delivering up to 2 tons of well-regulated European explosives in high-threat zones and defending themselves from both ground-based and aerial adversaries. The Taranis was, at least initially, supposed to be supersonic, while Neuron's design has an emphasis on functioning in autonomous cooperation with manned aircraft. As a loyal wingman, both aircraft were successfully tested, achieving the first flight in 2013 and 2012. In 2014, a contract was signed between France and the United Kingdom to combine their development into the new Future Combat Air System, a European fighter drone, which was dropped following Brexit. The name, FCAS, was later picked up by both Dassault Airbus and by Leonardo's 6th-generation fighter jet programs. As of 2020, Taranis project has discontinued, while Neuron continues to undergo testing. 1. XQ-58A Valkyrie. Valkyrie is the next logical step in the evolution of UAVs, designed to serve as a support to fighter jets relying on either direct control of its manned peers or onboard AI. It can scout the battlefield, engage the enemy and sacrifice itself to shield manned aircraft. The most impressive part of this whole ordeal is the price, as the drone is supposed to cost just $2 million apiece, on par with cruise missiles and almost nothing compared to actual fighter jets, being almost as capable as manned fighters, but cheap and easily replaceable, allows an army to produce entire swarms of them, overwhelming any kind of enemy defense. While still in prototype testing stage, Valkyrie is expected to be put into mass production in 2021, defining a picture of future robot warfare. And that is it, guys. This is the 10 most advanced military drones. Hope you all liked this video, and please don't forget to smash that like button. And you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you will be updated on my next video upload. Mega love shout out to my premier team, Team Hainan and Team Warriors, and all its very active and supportive members. This is why the fact not see you all on my next video. Thank you for watching.